In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly color line art using Flood Fill tool in Affinity Photo. Let's start by opening your line art in Affinity Photo. Once it's open, take a quick glance at the Layers panel. You want your line art to be on its own layer so the lines stay clean and unaffected by the colors you're about to add. If you see other elements merged into that layer, consider isolating the line art before proceeding. Keeping it separate ensures you can edit colors freely without damaging the lines. Next, add a new pixel layer and place it below the line art. This is the layer that will hold all your colors. By keeping it underneath, every fill you make tucks neatly behind the lines, so your outlines remain crisp and visible. If you like working neatly, you can rename this layer to something like Colors, but the key is simply that it sits under the line art. Now select the Flood Fill tool, which you might know as the Paint bucket. You'll find its settings in the Context toolbar at the top. Before you start clicking, set the tolerance to a low value. Tolerance controls how similar neighboring pixels need to be to get filled. A lower tolerance helps prevent color from creeping under the lines or spilling into nearby areas, especially if your line art has subtle transparency or soft edges. Starting around 5 to 15 often works well, and you can adjust as you go. With the tool ready, pick a color in the Color panel, then click inside a closed area of your artwork to fill it. Make sure you're clicking on the pixel layer beneath the lines. If the color doesn't reach the edges, slightly increase the tolerance and try again. If it spills out, lower the tolerance and undo. Zooming in helps you judge how well the fill meets the lines, and using undo lets you quickly dial in the right setting without losing progress. Continue clicking inside each section you want to color, changing hues as needed. Because everything is on that pixel layer below, your lines remain untouched, and you can easily refine colors later. If you notice gaps in the line art causing leaks, reduce the tolerance or try filling from a different spot within the same area for a cleaner result. When you've filled all the key areas, you'll have a clean, colored illustration with minimal effort thanks to the Flood Fill tool's speed and the control provided by a low tolerance and separate layers.